is the IDMA SAAS platform. The account that I'm in right now, it's basically, we created it for demo purposes so that we can show you guys, but this is what you'll see. So once you're signed in, or you can see over there on top, there's all the softwares, right? There's a CRM that's built in. Let me just show you before we run through all the different see there. Let's give it a second. Okay, the CRM, right? So over here you can see sorry, CRM first. So over here you can see there's a CRM built in so that you can actually collect your leads, contact them, keep an eye on them, keep track of them, etc. Over here you can also see which apps can be integrated, which platforms can be integrated, and more platforms will be made available for integration, right? There's also a help desk, so you can either check the frequently asked questions, or check how to do certain things. Then also over here there's a chatbot, which means there's always something available. There's always someone available to assist you. They do usually reply quicker than 2 hours. Let's quickly go here. So over here the roadmap. This is basically what's currently happening. There's a couple of upgrades and things in progress. There's a lot of things that's live over here, as you can see. What's also nice is that you can actually suggest features as well. So if you have a feature that you'd like that should be implemented, it will be added, and all of the features that gets added will be, there won't be any upgrade cost or additional cost. So once you sign up, this is what you'll pay, right? So let's just quickly go to all software again. I'm going to show you guys the enrichment tools. So over here you can see find B2B contacts. Let me just show you. And this tool is, this entire suite of tools, it is ideal for individuals looking for leads, etc. So let's see, we're going to call this eBay list, just randomly. I don't know why I chose that. Right, so we'll say ebay.com, so you can add a domain in there. So this is where you're going to be getting some contact details of people that works at the particular company. Like I've now selected to put in eBay, right? So now I'll be able to check for individuals that I would like to get some emails. Let's quickly see over here. Select. So I can choose contacts 5, 10, 10, 10, 100, 100, 50, there's 200, 500, or you can simply just ask for unlimited. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do 10. Okay, I don't need to select a folder. I'm going to say upload my list. Give it a run to run. As you can see, that's basically generating the list. I've done some tests with Tesla as well as just the test list itself. So let's just give that a chance to run, and then I'll show you what it will look like. Giving it a second. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys an example. Once this list is done, right, this is what it will look like, more or less. Let me quickly just show you. Okay, so this is what the list looks like, guys. So this is just an example, right? So remember, I did a search on eBay, but this is a test. A test run I did for Tesla, just to see. So over here you can see that there's the list, the domain. Okay, the email format will come up in a bit. You guys will see the emails. So there's Angela Sanders. This is the position that she's holding within the company, right? The job title, the location, her email, right? So each one of these people's email addresses, their personal. So just so that you know, we are in line with the POPI Act, and it's a private database that we've required in order to get these people's emails, so you don't have to worry about that. There's phone numbers, location, their LinkedIn profile, and everything, right? So there you can see there's the location and everything else, is contact numbers, etc. Right? So that is on find leads, right? So now I have an option. I can either go find B2B companies over here, or I can go over there. So I'm going to click find B2B companies over here, show you guys what that looks like. So what's cool about this is, so over here again, I can search for leads in any country in the world. So most people would, you know, go for United States. I can choose United Kingdom or wherever else, and then I can choose any industry of my choice. So let's say you're going after banking, aviation, or you're going after commercial real estate, or you are going after the dairy niche, going e-learning, farming. There's a bunch of niches over here. You can even type it in, right? So I'm gonna say, for the purposes of this example, I'm gonna say, let's see quickly, training, coaching, say personal training and coaching. So that's gonna be the niche. I can now decide the company size that I'm looking for. Do I want to work with companies of a certain size? Which size would that be? 1 to 10, 50 to 200, 500 to 1,000, etc. You can choose, right? So I'm going to say people in, just for the purpose of this example, I'm going to say 1 to 10, right? So there's about 10,953 companies. I can say create a new report. So, okay, let's quickly, let me just go back here. So I have done a test for you guys already. I've done a test run. So I'm going to show you guys what that will look like. So this is that list that I actually did a little while, but this is just to show you guys. So over here I can now download it as a CSV file, XLS file, XLS. There, so you can choose how you want you know, the leads to appear, what format it needs to be in. I'm gonna say, let's quickly say it's taken to download and guys, you once you download, about this is that no two people will ever get the same leads. So the system will kick out different information each and every time. Obviously for Tesla, searching for Tesla and whatever else, you guys will get the same emails. But I mean, if you're looking for different, you know, companies and different niches and so forth, because there's so many, you will never be working with the same information like your counterpart or your competition or anyone else. Okay, so let's see, it's downloaded. Let's see if I can just quickly open it for you guys. Okay, it's busy downloading. Okay, it's gonna say yes. Okay. So the document is busy opening up. Let's give it a second. Okay. It's loading. Sorry guys, I have a few tabs open up, so hence why it's taking a little while to load. Okay, let's quickly do that. Okay, that's opening up. This is what it's going to look like. So this is okay. Okay, like I said, I have a few windows and things open, so it's taking a little while for me, but it should work very quickly, depending obviously also on how fast your computer is or your laptop. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna give that a second just to open up, right? So let's go to find B2C local businesses. Let's type in real estate. Let's real estate. Let's go to United States. Don't have to sort in any specific order here. You can choose where you want, where in the United States. So there's different cities or states. So let's say that over there. And now I can basically search for businesses, and these leads can all be found under your saved list. So the moment you click save, so let's see Better Home and Garden Real Estate, everything real estate, there's all the information, there's all the details, and there's a lot of pages that you guys can actually search for or go through. I can now choose save, save, so save, as easy as that. I'm basically collecting leads easily and completely free. Once I go over here, now I can also view these leads. I'm going to say view data. So this is what it's going to look like when it opens up. Give it a second to load. Okay, that's what it's going to do now. I'll show you now. Scroll down. So these, because I said niches, so it's just a bit mixed up right now. But you can also create a specific folder or category or group for certain types of niche or certain niche. You can see as the exact location, longitude, the address is there. There's a link to the website, there's phone numbers, there's emails, what else, there's ratings, extended information, and so forth, right? So you can get tons of details and information. There's the niche that they're in, the area, Facebook links, if they have any, and so forth. Now for those of you that obviously provide these services, this in itself will show you the opportunity, right? So that these businesses might not have these particular things, right? So that is that. Let me see if this. Okay, I'll show you guys in a bit what that's going to look like. Now let's say convert name. So let's say you want to, not sure, and you want to check what what's the domain names for, what is it now? Let's say eBay. I'm gonna say eBay. Right, eBay. So again, while that is running, I'm going to show you guys a different one in the interim. So there it shows me Amazon I did, Algolia, Zapier, eBay, Tesla, right? So if it is that there's obviously other domains and you want to confirm it, you can also add that in there, right? So that is just on the enrichment category of the software. Next I'll be making a video on the prospecting tools, which includes LinkedIn. With that also being said, if it is that you're obviously using this, you'll be getting a 30-day free trial with Sales Navigator. We've partnered with them, so you can actually get a Sales Navigator account as well, where once you sign up, you can pop us an email. The email information will send you, then we'll send you to it, right? So guys, that is all for now on this particular page. Please scroll down, please scroll down, please scroll down, please scroll down, please scroll down. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you guys on the next one.